Hello everyone, my name is Jason Pangman. I'm the service director here at Feldman Chevrolet of Highland. Wanted to give you a quick update on our 24-hour service department that we got opened up. The response we've got has been overwhelming. We have lots of people that have taken advantage of the 24-hour service, dropping their vehicle off at night, picking it up first thing in the morning. The response has been so great that we've had to add additional staff to the nighttime service to meet everybody's needs. Now, the ideal candidate for our 24-hour service is, people that have to work all day long, use their vehicles for work, just simply can't find the time to drop them off. On your way home from work, drop them off with us. We'll give you a car to drive home, enjoy the time with your family, and then on your way to work, pick it up in the morning, and we'll have it all ready for you. As you can see, we are wearing masks, taking all the precautions that we can to keep your vehicle sanitized, give it back to you, and it's sanitized. And it's just been amazing. We are also still looking for more employees for that shift. We are looking for technicians, lube technicians, and even some more detailers. Again, the response has been overwhelming. Everyone has really reached out and taken advantage of the service that we're offering with the 24-hour service. So we are really proud of what it's doing, and we are glad that we can help out our community and offer this service for everybody.